Good morning, Morton West. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd. It is our second day of hybrid. Yesterday was a fantastic day here at Morton West for all those students that kicked off hybrid learning. And for our remote learners, I hope that your day was great as well. Please stand me in joining me for the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. And again, welcome back. If you didn't see this sign, this was at door 1. We also had them at door 29 and door 24, which, as a reminder, those are our student entrances. So if you are a freshman, you enter through door 1. And if you are an upperclassman, you can select door 24 or door 29 each morning for your temperature screening. And since today is Wednesday, here is our schedule today. So if you are in the silver group, you are in person for periods 4, 5, and 6, and remote for 1, 2, and 3. Remember, if you are selecting to stay here all day, you do need to reserve a remote learning space. And for our remote or our maroon group, who is remote in the morning for periods 4, 5, 6, you come in this afternoon for periods 1, 2, and 3. Looking forward to seeing you all. And just a reminder, everyone, if you have first hour lunch or fourth hour lunch, you have a late arrival to school. So that means that on the days where you are in the silver group or in the maroon group, those days you come in time for that next period class. And if you have third period lunch, that means that you get to leave Morton West after your last class. And just our reminders about health and safety. Oh, the 6 feet reminder. Everyone did a great job that was here in the building yesterday. And I have to say the masks looked great as well. Make sure that your mouth and nose are fully covered with those masks. And I had a couple students asking about the District 201 health and safety videos. The link is here. And from our Knowledge Center, the Knowledge Center is working to keep up with current events. They have access to 10 magazines as part of the collection. So here are a couple of the subscriptions that you can see that we have here at Morton West if they suit your interest. And this is National School Counseling Week. Here's some of our favorite counselors. Not all are listed here, but we do have a great counseling staff. So wish them well and thank them for all they do each day to help you. And happy birthday to several students today. Happy birthday, Adon, Rain, Samantha, Michelle, Crystal, and Justice. I hope your day is fabulous. And today's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It is the brain break that's happening. And the topic is how to plan your semester to be stress-free. So join through the Teams link and a couple other friendly reminders from the dean's office. Be on time, be in uniform, have those IDs and the masks at all time. Again, everyone looked really good yesterday. And if you are a lady interested in softball, please continue to check the announcements and keep updated as schedules will be released soon. Miss O'Neill is the freshman softball coach, so you can reach out if you have any questions in the meantime. And today's activities that we have going on, we have intramurals in the morning, app development after school, mathletes in the afternoon, Mexican folklore in the afternoon, NHS at 11:30. Senior class at 8, service key club at 3:10, snowball at 3:30, student council at 3:15, tutoring and college services at 3:30, and young life in the morning. And help snowball quarantine, but not alone. That is so true. You can get your t-shirt at the bookstore for $10. And from the College and Career Center, keep an eye on those scholarships. We have one coming up February 19th for the Illinois Chemical Education Foundation, and another one from the BNSF Railway Foundation with a deadline of February 25th. And don't forget, I already gave a shout out to our school counseling staff, but we also have our social workers and psychologists upstairs in W225, 227 that are here to help students. They put out a really nice newsletter each week, and this topic is physical activity and mental health. And tomorrow's Thursday, and that means that Coffee with the Principal is happening at 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. tomorrow. So, and tell your parents to join me. I'd love to hear their questions and looking forward to seeing them then. And just a reminder about Morton West meals. Please keep in mind, this is the updated 7-day meal kit, and with the distribution dates and times, this is the correct time. So we do the dinner program on Wednesdays from 3:15 till 5. It is not an everyday dinner program anymore. You get a 7-day meal package of dinners on Wednesdays. So that is today. So make sure if you're interested in the dinner program, you are picking those up when you're at school or during that time frame. And every week I put out the newsletter that I hope answers all of the questions that are out there for students and families. So if you hadn't had a chance to read it this week because you've been busy with hybrid, there is still time to do it. The next publication will come out on Sunday. And yesterday's daily attendance was 88%. And last week's average daily attendance was 95%. Keep up the good work, Mustangs. It was great to see the faces I saw yesterday and students in the hallways again. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.